Hello, how are you today? Today's lesson I'm going to talk about the do you feel you have infinite potential? If you don't feel you have infinite potential, this is the reason there is a blockage there. And this is the reason you feel other people can achieve their goals, I cannot. And so this is what I'm going to talk about. Let me introduce myself first, then we will start talking about do we have infinite potential? And my name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor. And this is what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor. Everything works according to the laws and your own mind. The laws and the mind work together. Whether you want to believe it or whether you don't want to believe it, that doesn't really matter. But this is how the mind and laws works together. And this is what I have understood it, and I'm applying on myself, and it's working for me, definitely. And I'm achieving what I'm trying to achieve. I have achieved my goals. I'm still working on my goals, and I'm achieving them all the time. And but you have to understand your own mind. You have to understand your universal laws, and working together, then we can live in harmony, and that's the most important. So today I'm going to talk about, do you feel you have infinite potential? But just saying that, that's not enough. You have to have the awareness of, do you really have the infinite potential? And first you have to have the right information, then you have to have the awareness, and then you have to know, are you really flowing with the infinite potential? Do you feel that you have infinite potential? As this is a really most important to know that, knowing that within yourself. It's not just saying, oh, I have infinite potential. That's not enough. Until you don't feel that you are flowing to and through with your own infinite potential. Every human being is born with the infinite potential, and we are flowing with all the time that infinite potential. Infinite potential is, you might be wondering, what is the infinite potential? Infinite potential is we born with and within that power. You want to call whatever you want to call spirit, the power, the energy, and that energy is flowing with and within us all the time, and we call it infinite potential. Infinite potential, this never end. There's no start and end. It just is. It is. That's what is it. Is there, and is flowing, and there's no end of it. So it's ongoing process. So that power is flowing with and within us all the time. There's no end. And if I use it more, and or other person is going to use it more than me, it's not going to make any difference. But only if we cannot use this infinite potential because we're not aware of it. We have to have the awareness of that infinite potential. And once you know it's within you, and you can be, do, and create anything, and you don't have to feel you are a lack, or you are a less than anybody else, or you cannot do it. It's just yourself. If you're feeling not enough, it's yourself. If you're feeling, oh, I cannot be creative, it's just your mind is saying that, because you're not aware of that infinite potential. So infinite potential is flowing through us all the time. So what we make out of it, that's again, that's our choice. If I feel there is enough, there is enough. If I feel there's lack, then I'm making the choice to say that there's not enough. So it's to do with your own awareness, your own choice, how you think and feel about this infinite potential. So let me tell you, infinite potential is flowing to and through us all the time, 24 hours. So what you make out of this infinite potential is all up to you. But you have to have the awareness, and you have to have a feeling of that infinite potential. So that's all I wanted to stress about today. We do have infinite potential and flowing through us all the time. And we are talking about your goals, your business goals, or something you want. Whatever you're feeling about your goals, that is your choice. But you can change that choice according to what you want, and according to what you're trying to achieve. And so once you start to change that, you're definitely going to experience whatever you're trying to have or achieve or do or create. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. Hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's really helping me greatly. And you can use this information also. And Bob taught this information more than 60 years, because do you know why he did? Because it worked and it's working for me. And what you have to work with the information. You have to know your goal. You have to know your goals. You have to know your universal laws, and you have to know yourself as your own mind. And then definitely it's going to start to work for you also, this information. And thank you for watching the YouTube. And if you do need a further help, you can message me, send me the message, and I can book online, and I can help you all your questions around your goals. And this is what I do. I help people how to set their goals and finding their goals, set their goals. And of course, this information is going to help you to achieve your goals also. But you have to ask and to book online to ask all the questions around your goals. Thank you for letting me watch the YouTube, and please leave your comments. I would love to read your comments. And what do you think about the YouTubes? Are they helping you, or how you feel about these YouTubes? And I think that's all for today, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.